Hey, hey, hey! This week's Wednesday dinner date was the bomb. We actually got something that hit the spot. Today, we took a trip into Birmingham City Centre. We took the bus instead of taking the car this time. And at first, Lisa and I, and Julian, of course, we went to sit downstairs at the back. It was socially distanced, it felt quite safe, the bus wasn't too crowded, and we were okay to use our cards to pay. Then, after a while, we went upstairs to sit at the front to pretend that we were driving the bus. The view is actually really good from the top. It was a nice sunny day, quite warm. We didn't have to wear any coats, and that felt so refreshing. There's something about when the sun comes out on your skin, it felt so good, so comforting. All right, come with us, and I'll show you a little bit of the journey into the city centre. Can't wait to show you at the very end what we got to eat. And if you're faithful enough and stay tuned to the very end, we have a little bit of a laugh to share with you. Did you see the tram just now? We actually love going into the city centre to have a walkabout. When we were teaching, we used to go every at least once a term to check out the city centre. We love the Bull Ring. It's a really major shopping centre here in the UK. Lots of things to see and do and places to eat. Lots of street vendors with their different cuisines from different countries all over the world. It really is an interesting, exciting place. Now, you can't come to Birmingham without getting to see that bull and getting a photograph taken at the bull. It was quite not as busy today as it usually is. It's usually a bustling city with people up and down, and you sometimes have to step aside to allow people to pass. But today it was okay. It was, as people I think are shielding or are being more careful, it wasn't as crowded as it usually is. As I say, there are lots of places to eat. Greg's is a popular place that sells pastry products, pasties, cakes, and drink both hot and cold and so on. So we had a walkabout town, and then we had in our mind already where we wanted to go to eat lunch, and it was one of our favorite places. It's called Nandos. It's a Portuguese eatery that sells mainly grilled food. They do sell burgers, although Lisa says don't use that burger word to me again. If you want to hear the story behind that, look for last week's day date. Lisa was really disappointed with her burger. Anyway, we went into the city centre looking for Nandos, and there are lots of changes happening in the city. The buildings are being changed. Like I said, it's really a lovely, bustling atmosphere, although today it wasn't as crowded as it usually is. Here we are heading round to Nandos. We thought we would get in right away, but then we were told that we had to use this app on our phones to book a table and then wait for the app to tell us that a table was ready and that we could actually go into dine. So while we waited for the app to tell us that our table was available, we had another little walk down into the town where the market is. There's a lovely outdoor market. I'll put in a little clip here to the outdoor market. We had a little bit of a look around. By the time we got there, had a few photos taken, we were told by the app, your table is ready. So back to Nandos we went.
Huh? When they wave, that means they want to be in it. Oh. I'm not looking now, it's too late. Woohoo! We're out! We're out!
Don't you just love it when the surroundings are clean and well kept, the lawns well maintained, beautiful flora. So many Insta-worthy places in Birmingham City Centre to actually take photos, and there was a lot of that going on. In fact, when we were taking some photos, there were some girls behind us inside a restaurant actually posing. Julia had found out what they were doing and told us. But yes, we all had a laugh about that. But here, some really significant historic buildings in the city centre. There is a church called St. Martin's Church, which has a love. It's always open, by the way. I'm not sure about now during the pandemic, but usually it's open and people go in and pray or just sit and rest. And there's a cafe on the inside as well, where you can sit and meet up with friends for a chat, for a tea and coffee or cake or whatever it is that you want. It's really a beautiful city, and we're so proud to be part of Birmingham, where in 2022, God willing, we should be hosting the Commonwealth Games.
Do you want ice? Do you want ice?
In Nandos too, the seating was arranged in such a way that we weren't too crowded together. We got a nice area away from everybody else, although a little family came rather close to us after a while. But it felt okay. We checked out the menu, although we already knew. I don't think Julia knew what she wanted to order. But Lisa and I ordered the exact same thing we always order every single time we go to Nando's. Quarter of a chicken, corn on the cob, and peri peri chips. We get that every single time. So, and then the drink as well was bottomless. Refills, remember last week, refills meant you paid for every single drop, every glass you had. Well, here, once you pay for your glass of drink, you could get bottomless refills. For as often as you wanted another drink, you could get it. We didn't have any puddings nor any dessert, but we were absolutely it hit the spot. Like I said at the start, it absolutely hit the spot. You can choose your sauces that you want, or how hot or spicy you wanted your chicken. We always go for spicy. There is one above that called very spicy, I think, but we always choose spicy. Extra hot is the one above that. You could also choose sauces yourself to go with whatever you were having, whether it be burger, or they also do a lovely mashed potato, really soft, really fluffy. But we chose what we wanted, and we went in knowing what we wanted. Peri peri chips, corn on the cob, and chicken. Julian chose a burger. Don't let Lisa hear that burger word. But Julian chose a chicken burger. I think she got garlic bread as well, and chips. But it was so good, so spicy. It's the right amount or score. Lisa, what do you say? awesome. It was the bomb. Out of 10. 10. Out of 10 for me, it got 11. It was really good. If you are ever where a Nando's is, you don't have to worry about choice. Everything they make. And the customer service as well was really, really good. Because of the pandemic, we didn't have to go to choose any drink or anything. We just asked for what we wanted and it was brought over. They kept checking to see that we were okay, and we absolutely were. It was just a lovely atmosphere and we were filled and satisfied. We couldn't complain.
Monkey the cage.
After we left Nando's, we found that the original patty company had set up a pop-up shop in the city centre. Tell us, do you think we bought 3 patties or 2? In the comments, tell us what you think. We were looking for Primark because we needed a few things for our holiday, which is coming up. You'll hear more about that in another video. But we went into Primark to have a look around. Lots to see. We went to the homeware section. Beauty, clothing. It's a lovely store, and Birmingham has the biggest Primark store in Europe. I think it's 4 or 5 stories high, different floors, including a restaurant on one floor, children's section, men's section. It was a lovely atmosphere as well. As I said, it wasn't crowded at all. It usually is very, very busy, bustling with queues as long as ever to get checked out. But it wasn't so busy today, and we had a good look around to walk off some of those calories from the meal we had just had. And we'll show you a little bit now of some of the things that we actually saw when we went into Primark. Hope you're still liking the video. I hope you found it interesting. I hope I don't know, you can't agree with us on the score that we gave to our meal this week, but trust me, believe me, it was absolutely awesome. I wish we could do Nando's for every Wednesday day date, but no. We're going to extend our palate a little. We'll try some other cuisines from other countries. This one was Portuguese this week. Next week, not sure yet. We'll see when we get there what we'll actually get. But I'll show you a little bit of what we found, we saw in Primark. And then when we get home, Julian will do a little haul to show you some of the things that we got. So stay tuned. That's it for this week. That's it for this week on our Wednesday day date. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed Birmingham City Centre. All the places to eat, all the things to do and see. See you next week.
Bye. Bye.
So we're just going to do, Julian's going to do a quick haul of what we got in town today. And as well, there was a big box when we came back home. So she's going to show you that first. Over to you, Julian.
This is one of the cups or glasses, whatever they're called.
Oh, that's
So
really nice.
Don't we have two?
I think we have like that shape. But perhaps you need to say why you're buying these, Julian.
For university.
Yes, so Julian is off to university in late September or October.
And then over the door hooks. This is the cutlery.
You didn't buy cutlery?
No, the one that she bought was like
the
can
kick
opener,
set,
pizza cutter. But this is.
But these match.
These are matching.
They're brighter pink.
Yeah.
Not a rose gold.
Was it rose gold or pink?
It's rose gold and pink,
Yeah.
but this is just silver and this time.
Light pink.
I don't know if into that, but
No, but that's nice.
16
Show it.
pieces.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really nice. Classy.
Yeah.
If any man ever thief Julian Park, me and them.
Album mugs.
Oh.
The same
Put
colour.
that. Yeah, put that closer.
Now.
So that's from the Nelm that we got when we came home today. And now this is from...
Pretty little thing. Okay, so the first thing I got was this belt. And then I got this jumper type thing.
If you ever can fit me.
Please, Lord, let it be able to fit me.
I don't think it... Well, it might be able to because I got it in a large.
Oh,
Yes!
definitely.
That can fit me.
This cannot fit you. Then the next two are jeans. So the first thing was just a plain black polo top. Because it goes with everything. Then I got a purple one as well. These could actually probably...
Oh yeah, those
Yeah.
go.
Then I got this hoodie type thing with like zip up hoodie. And I just got some more like vest type tops. This is pink. And then I got a more cream colour. Yeah. Then I got this layered necklace. There's my mascara. And then the first thing is the jeans that I got.
Yeah.
Blue with
Tear up, tear up, tear up, tear up, cherry.
Tear up, tear up, tear up, tear up jeans.
Right, that's everything.
So thank you.
And that's the haul. See you next week on Wednesday if we do another haul. Perhaps we just go to the park and play ball.
And if you were faithful enough to stay to the very end, please remember to subscribe after you watch Leisa and Julian ramping too much, having too much fun after Julian tried on her clothes. Have a laugh. See you next week.
You go boom, boom, boom.
Uppercut. Stop it, Julian. Ramp too much.
You ramp too much.